All right, guys, I am very excited to unbox this brand new product. It's a camera. This is actually probably my most expensive camera equipment that I've purchased, and I never owned a Leica before until maybe a year ago. I got my first Leica camera, which is the Leica CL. I don't have it right now with me, but that was my first experience with a Leica camera in itself, and you can definitely tell Leica has upheld their quality. But here we have it. This is the Q3. Very nice presentation. I currently right now do own the Leica Q2. I picked this up used, and I'm actually going to be selling it. So I had a very short-term use of this camera. And I actually pre-ordered this camera back in November through B&H, and then I also used a local dealer here, and they reached out to me about 2 weeks ago. So I'm happy that we had one available. So here we are. This actually looks exactly just like the Q2 box. You've got some of the accessories. Oh, the leather strap. Very nice. Filter cover, or whatever you would call it. You would use this if you don't use the lens hood, which I actually prefer doing that. Lens hood's a little bulky. This is probably the charger, which I don't know if I'm going to use this a lot, only because one major advantage of having the Q3 over the Q2 is the ability to charge it via USB-C on its own adapter cable. Second drawer, you get this nice Leica product registration card. Here, I'm just going to go to YouTube to figure out how to use the camera. Open this up. There we have it. All right, take it out. So pretty. That's it. That's in the box. This aside. Take this out. Set this aside, and there we have it. Here's the Q3, and here's the Q2. Okay, so initial impressions. This Q3 feels lighter than the Q2, but I do notice a little bit lighter feel. You can definitely tell the main thing that looks different is the button. So on the Q3, you get a little piece there that put like a soft button on there, and then on the Q2 that doesn't come with it. So that's the main differences, and sorry, that's one big difference, but the main difference is the screen. Of course, the flippy screen that, you know, honestly, I don't think I care too much for it, as I don't shoot a lot of shots in this landscape orientation. I shoot a lot in a portrait orientation. So since this primarily would be used for portraits, but I also, yeah, that's not a big deal for me. But anyway, that's it. And I might do another video of just sort of my initial impressions. I might do a slight comparison more in depth, but that's it. So thank you all for stopping by, and I am very excited. And this might be a camera that I want to hang on to for a while. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.